Today we are going on a journey to hike up Pidurangala. Let's get started. Pidurangala is a beautiful rock formation located in Sri Lanka, very close to Sigiriya. Pidurangala has once been an ancient Buddhist monastery dating back to the Anuradhapura period. The hike begins at the Buddhist temple Pidurangala Rajamaha Viharaya. If you are starting through the temple, be mindful and respect by removing shoes and hats. Our mission today is to reach the top and take in the stunning view. We are hoping to see the sunrise from the top, but not sure if we can make it in time. But let's try. I've seen people comparing Sigiriya to Pidurangala, but it's two completely different hikes. Sigiriya is bigger and has more steps to climb, but it's very much straightforward and anyone can climb. Even the hardest parts has railings and in my opinion, easier than Pidurangala. Here in Pidurangala, there's no clear path. You'll see arrow signs which you can use as a guide, but misleading also at times. At least this part is relatively easy, but it still requires to be careful and watch your step. There I see the sunrise. So we couldn't reach the top before the sunset, but the view from here is already breathtaking. We reach this kind of an open area where you will see this beautiful reclining Buddha statue. We took a break here and we took the opportunity to take plenty of pictures and soak in the scenery. Also, this is the end of the easy climb. From here, we will have to navigate through these boulders upon boulders with no clear path.
Yeah. Go first.
That's easy.
Hold with my hand.
Hold the hand ready. Good arm.
I'll keep you on your rock.
Where's this door lead us to? Hold me.
The effort was well worth it. Take a look at the view from the top. We could see miles and miles afar.
There's something right there. Far away.
I feel so accomplished. Pidurangala was indeed an achievement, and we are glad to experience it with each other. Now we are going back. I'll take you along with us to the reclining statue again. You need to be even more careful as it can be more challenging to climb down with more chances of slipping and falling.
Never mind, Dummy.
Right.
We don't care.
Ouch, my head was knocked on the
Know what I'm doing here.
Right.
Help me. Help.
Come on.
I can't. You can't.
I'm here.
Okay. Happy. I'm sure I can't.
Overall, this hike was a one-in-a-lifetime experience for us, and we recommend it to anyone who is willing to take on a challenge. Not only it is a chance to experience Sri Lanka's natural beauty, but it is also an opportunity to learn and appreciate its ancient history. Thank you for joining us on this journey up Pidurangala. Stay safe and enjoy your own adventures.